So pardon the tired look. I realized I don't have an intro for the video, so I'm about to edit it. I've been going through my phone, going through my footage. I have no intro for the video. So the intro to the video is, on this vlog, we're going karting and we're going mountain biking. Not a lot of talking, just a good time. The first clip is us go-karting. We had 3 heats of 20 minutes. The third heat was in the rain, which was awesome. So I think you're going to be seeing a whole lot more of the final heat in the rain because there was some drifting, there was some passing, there was some off the track business. It was just a good time. So hopefully you enjoy this week's vlog, and next week's vlog's a good one. A little bit more talking, but I feel like how can I say this? A little less high adrenaline rush activities. So I hope you enjoy the vlog, and I'm looking forward to the next one. See you soon. So, quick introduction of what went on this past week. Monday you saw the go-karting videos. I'm terrible. I finished last in every heat. Last heat it rained, so that's why there was a whole bunch of spins out. I was having a riot. It was paid by the job, so I mean, it was all in the specter of having a good time. Right now I'm at the mountain. About to rent a mountain bike. I've never done descent on a mountain bike, so quite nervous. We'll see how this goes. So, needless to say, I'm waiting on the rental staff to show up with the bike. I'm freaking terrified. I'm way overgeared. I got the whole freaking Fox Titan body armor. I got the knee pads on. I got the Fox gear on. I look, I'm ready to go dirt biking, but I'm going mountain biking. The lineup at the chairlift is huge, so I'm going to be, I think, on the green tracks for quite some time. So, we'll see how it goes. It's a gorgeous day to be outside, that's for sure. Look at this. Perfect freaking weather. I'm on the side of the trail right now. Nothing's wrong, other than there's enduro trails on this mountain, which means you gotta pedal back up, and I don't want to. I paid for a lift ticket, so you best believe I'm gonna be using the lift as much as I can. And I just double checked the map to see where this trail ends, and it ends at a lift. And I was like, is the lift active though? And I remember the lift being active at the top, because I don't really know where I'm at right now on the mountain. So the adventure continues. Hopefully the GoPro clips are not too shabby. It's hot. It's very, very hot. The 509 helmet is really hot. But the Jersey breeze is good. So we're gonna keep going now.
Give me
After 2 runs completed, I went on a green and a blue. So yes, I already stepped up to the blue. I need to go down to the rental place because the wrist angle when I'm standing up is so broken with my hands on the brakes. I am riding the brakes a lot, but that's just being a beginner, I guess. But my wrists, I have to stop halfway because my wrists are freaking snapped the whole time. You want a much straighter wrist when you're doing bar sports. I know that when I'm sledding, I'm sitting down, my wrist is like broken downwards. So I'd like these levers to be seriously further down. So I'm going down the way I came up so that I can see if I can get those adjusted and keep going. So I'm just out enjoying the view. Killer freaking panoramic view. It's got like this little lookout point that I'm standing in. So after 3 runs, my wrists were killing me. So I was like, time to go put these levers all the way down because they were perfect for like trail riding and pedaling when you're sitting down. But when you're standing up, I was getting like this crazy wrist angle pump to be on the brakes. Not pleasant. So I went down and they had like tools. So you just loosen up the levers, flip them down, and life is good. So hopefully we'll see how this run goes. I'm gonna hit a blue run again, and hopefully I'm gonna like it even more. Gotta change the batteries in the GoPro. It's already dead after 3 runs, 20 minutes. Makes sense that it's dead. So time to switch out the battery and keep going. Having a good day out here.
So as you saw, I got 10 videos currently at the summit of the mountain. Life is good, life is beautiful. I need to know if I got low light settings on. Nope, I think we'll be good. I don't know how many more laps I'm gonna do. It was an expensive day. I don't think I'll be doing it again sometime soon. Definitely enjoyed myself. But as a beginner, the price that it's at right now is ridiculous. If I had my own bike, I'd be several thousands of dollars into this, and I'm not getting $1,000 into this. So it was a good time. I don't think I'll be coming back. Currently at the summit, having the time of our lives. This was good. This was good.
So I'm currently at the Mickey D's getting this snack after the killer day I just had on the mountain. It's been a good one. It's been a good weekend. I think this is going to be the closing to the video because it is Sunday, 6 o'clock, 5:45. And the footage this week is going to be go-karts and dirt and mountain bikes. So hopefully you enjoyed that, and I will talk to you later. Bye.